Staying motivated when you're not making money yet is hard. I'm not gonna lie, it's hard. But in this video, we're gonna talk about a few things that will help you make it out on the other side. If this is your first time to the channel, my name is St. James. I'm a Grammy Award-winning songwriter and producer who's also had the privilege of finding success as a visual creator and helping other creators do the same. First, let's talk about that brutal, awkward in-between stage. The part they don't glamorize in YouTube highlight reels or flashy Instagram posts. You've chosen the path of creative entrepreneur. You're putting in the hours, showing up online, making things, trying to be consistent. And yet, the money isn't following. Not yet. Maybe you've launched a store, published the art, uploaded the video, but the silence is louder than you imagined. Then you ask yourself, am I crazy for thinking this could work? You're not. You're just in the middle. And the middle always feels like a void. But here's what you need to understand deep in your bones. Money isn't the only metric that what you're doing is working. Not yet. In the early days of any creative business, you're planting seeds. Some take weeks to sprout. Others take months. Some might not bloom until year 2. But that doesn't mean they're dead. It just means you're building something real, something with roots. Too many creators quit because they confuse growth with results. But results are just a snapshot. Growth is what happens underground silently when no one is clapping, liking, or buying. You might not see it, but every post, every product, every piece of content you put out is building equity. Every email you send, every short story you tell, every honest effort adds to your body of work. That body of work is what you will eventually carry on if you don't give up on it too soon. Now let's talk about motivation. Motivation is fleeting. It's unreliable. If you wait to act until you feel inspired, you will never build momentum. What works better is discipline, identity, and vision. Discipline is showing up, especially when it's boring. It's doing the things, even when the results aren't instant. Identity is deciding I am a creative entrepreneur, not trying to be, not aspiring to be. I am one. The moment you own that identity, your decisions shift. You no longer ask, should I keep going? You ask, what's my next step? And vision, that's your North Star. Your why, the mission that got you started in the first place. When motivation fails you, and it will, your vision has to be louder than your doubt. Ask yourself, what kind of life am I building? What kind of work do I want to be known for? What kind of impact do I want to have? Then act like the person who is already on that path. Because here's the hard truth, wrapped in hope. You might not be getting paid right now, but you are getting better. Your skills are sharpening, your ideas evolving, your confidence is building. You're learning what works and what doesn't. That is not failure. That is process. You are in the season of becoming. Don't judge the value of your work on income alone, especially not in the beginning. Judge it by your growth, your courage, and your consistency. You're closer than you think. It might be one post, one product, one email, one DM, one pitch away. You don't get to control when the reward comes, but you do get to control if you're still standing when it does. So keep going, keep showing up, keep making. You're not invisible. You're not wasting time. You're doing the slow, necessary work of building something that matters. The money will come, but who you become along the way, that's the real payoff. Now breathe, reset, and get back to work. Your future self is already thanking you. Think, what's one small step I can take today, even without a paycheck, that my future business will benefit from? Take that step. I hope this has been extremely helpful for someone. And until we talk again, I wish you health, wealth, and freedom.